Hello, students. We are continuing with JEE Mains MCQ series, and we are taking MCQs of different attempts of JEE Mains 2025 and from different chapters. Basically, today we have selected one MCQ from optics, wave optics, and this was being asked on 7th April 2025, shift 1. Let us discuss the question now. The question says that two plane polarized light waves combine at a certain point whose electric field components are E1 is equal to E naught sine omega t and E2 is equal to E naught sine omega t plus pi by 3. The question which is asked to us, what we have to find out here is the amplitude of the resultant wave. There are four options given to you. First option, zero point 0.9 E naught. Second option, only E naught. The third option is 1.7 E naught. And the fourth option is 3.4 E naught. Now, as we have learned in the JEE series that the resultant amplitude of these two light waves can be calculated by a log parallelogram of vectors. So the first amplitude which we have is E naught, and the second amplitude for the second wave is also E naught, and the phase difference between the two waves is pi by 3 radian, right, which is 60 degree, correct? So according to the log parallelogram, the resultant amplitude is denoted by ER, which is given by under root of E naught square plus E naught square plus 2 E naught into E naught cos of phi, which is pi by 3. So under root of E naught square plus E naught square is 2 E naught square plus 2 times E naught into E naught, that also gives me 2 times E naught square, and cos pi by 3, as we know from trigonometry, is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is half. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we get the resultant amplitude here as under root of 3 E naught square. And taking square root, we go for root 3 E naught. And we know the root 3 value. What is the root 3 value? Root 3 value is 1.732. So this is 1.73 E naught, and the answer out of the 4 is 1.7 E naught. So very simple MCQ was asked in this attempt, and it was very easy. Thank you.